she did. No, she did. That girl cutting up.
We made it to Vegas. I mean, we got here super late. It's 11:41, but I mean, fuck it. We're gonna go out at 2:30 a.m. Watch us. Watch us club till 7 a.m. Huh, Eunice? Hell yeah. So we're here. Bally's. It's about to be a litty night. Look at the time. Show everybody the time. This is what happens when we come to Vegas.
Damn, look at that. Look at that makeup though.
Bacon.
Bacon.
My stamina, now I'm fucking her on the balance. Still guess I just eat still on.
Fucking poppin'! Dude!
Ain't got no manners, bro.
That shit is poppin'. That's some real PPP. Wait.
You ain't gotta fuck with me, my nigga. Just I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk.
Are you crying now?
Babe, how's the lighting? No?
Shitty. Fix it a little bit.
Got you. I got it. Hey, baby. Outfit. Got that Fashion Nova romper? That Fashion Nova romper from Eunice? Eunice, come here. Yeah, show him. Ooh. Okay, don't be sleeping on this Becca lip gloss. Show him, Eunice. That shit is PPP. It's fucking popping. Oh. Go ahead, look, Eunice. Oh! Fucking shit, you look popping. You're fucking popping right now. Wait, makeup for your show. That's it. I'm gonna do it for your show. I'm gonna do your makeup. I got you.
I just had it earlier.
We're gonna go eat. We made it alive. Let them know, Eunice.
We made it.
We made it alive. Yes.
There was nothing but.
Let's go. Oh, let's go.
I'm hungry. I like your chug.
So we're en route. I'm so ready to eat. I'm freaking hungry. Like, what time is it, babe? It's like freaking 1:30 and we haven't eaten. So it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be an epic meal. Funky. Yep.
Spunky, I'm oatmeal lucky, I'm sick with this. Straight gangsta math. But sometimes I get ridiculous.
No, she did. No, she did. That girl cutting up.
Shit, look at me, I'm skinny. It doesn't stop me from getting busy.
I'm with you.
I like the girls with the boom. I once got busy in a Burger King bathroom. I'm crazy. Allow me to amaze thee. They say I'm ugly, but it just don't freak me. I'm still getting in the girl game.
You better go, girl. You go, girl. Go ahead.
Come on.
You tight. Hey, you made them all look good. You made all of them good.
How you feel?
That was fun. What's up?
Hey, what's up, girl?
Hey, what's up, girl? Nacho Daddy!
Woo! You excited, Eunice?
Hell yes! Hell yes! I'm so hungry.
Shake it. Doing?
We're gonna get this day started.
We all
got
got
a free. Guys,
Hey, take a picture.
if you come to Nacho Daddy, check in on Yelp, and you get a free margarita.
We all got
What's
free
up?
margaritas
Life hack.
to the Yelp.
Yay! About to F it up. Get your nachos, babe. Still waiting for mine. Get your thong food.
That's gains, bro.
I'm on a new level.
I'm ready to eat. I am so ready to eat. I'm starving. I want mine. I don't want to eat.
Damn. This is what it is right here. The epic, mighty scorpion shot challenge.
You ready, Alex? Oh. Go ahead, Alex. That's all you.
Chuck that shit, bro, all the way through.
My God.
swallow it. You fucking phone right there, bro. There it is.
I got scared. How was it? Dude, you're like crying.
It wouldn't go down.
Rain freeze, let me tell you that. Woo. Let's get this day started. Whoa. Going to Sugar Factory. Woo.
If you're a thug, you eat one. Fucking camera right there. Look at that shit.
I'm just getting sour stuff. Fat Tuesdays. We got a tall ass drink. We got Liddy. Hey, got a Fat Tuesday. I think I got a Pineapple Express, so it has the 190, whatever it was, but it's the strongest alcohol and pineapple juice.
There's a couple of ways you could do this. You could go like this, and
Show
then
us, Alex.
you just fucking bam, bro, like mira.
Show us a pitón, güey. Oh, perdón. Perdón. Oh, shit. Okay, let's take it. Cheers.
It's strong, huh?
It's strong.
It's strong?
Yeah.
$1 Jello shots.
What happened? What you...
Look at this chandelier. Go ahead, fuck it up, girl. All right, fuck it up. Drink up, bitches.
Drink it up then. Let me see.
Oh, cheers, cheers.
Flex, 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 flex. Ooh.
Dude, I could have swore, I thought we were at the Caesar's Palace for like a minute. I was like, are we? And I asked, because it looks like it, but it's not. I think we're in Planet Hollywood? Still, right, babe? We're in Planet Hollywood?
Paris now.
Oh, yeah. Drink up, bitches.
Yeah, let's take a photo.
Let's take a photo. Let's do it. Hey, take a photo. You got it? Come here, Eunice.
Yeah, come here, Eunice.
Come here, Eunice.
Y'all see
Go,
Yep.
photo. It's a photo.
Wait, we gotta do the spidey senses. Oh, wait.
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, you got it. Shit. Oh, shit.
I didn't see nothing.
Big chillin'. We're like, oh, what happened over there? Oh, wow. Cops here, big chillin'. I give it to you guys. So fucking let them know.
How lit? The nasty lit?
From here to here.
To here, no, way more. Fuck.
Whoa, we're gonna be out of the world lit.
It's so overwhelming.
Lit.
Johanna.
Day 3 in Vegas. We're done. But we're gonna eat. We're going to the buffet here at the Rio. So let's check it out. Let's see how good it is. I know I've been here before. It's pretty good. I'm hungry. What is this? I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's Oreos on top, and I think it's like some type of tiramisu. And then we got this. What you get, Eunice? We're not done.
I know. I
I kind of want to try that.
Which one?
This.
I know it's orange. Is it orange? I don't know.
Okay, I'll grab one.
I think it's the chewy.
Yeah, I got one of those. We're gonna go all out. What is that? Okay, I want one of those too. You want one?
But
Dude,
if we get a plate, it's not gonna fit in.
Yeah, these cakes are bomb. Look at this.
I like that one.
So pretty. They're so pretty. More cookies. Ooh, look at this. Banana Foster. Dude, that looks good. Do you like bread pudding?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna get.
Look Let's get the ice cream, gelato, and cream, coffee, dulce de leche, apple cinnamon.
Which is that one? Elvis what?
Which one?
Elvis. Oh, I'm gonna get that.
Elvis PB and jelly. Can I get apple cinnamon? Apple gelato. Dude, there's a real apple in there. Really? Try it. So good. What else should I try? This little guy. Shit. Oh, look, there's oils falling everywhere. That was good. It was really good.
It's like
What the fuck? It's like mousse.
I taste apple.
Me too. Like cinnamon.
Try the ice cream first. Let's see your reaction.
Yeah. That's it? Yeah. Oh, we're going zip lining. Are you guys excited? Oh yeah! We're first timers. We're all first timers.
But it's not really zip lining, right? It's just you're sitting down.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a zip line.
No, I
fucking mood killer.
No, I was just
Shit.
Oh, for sure. Oh, I can't. No. I have not. No.
This is fun.
Dude, I can't.
This is so cool.
Hey, what if that shit just fell right now?
Don't say that.
Dude, I can't. I will cry.
Here,
Oh, fuck.
we're about to die.
Oh,
Oh, hey, Ernie, how you feel right now, bro? Hey, Ernie, hey, do that Drake, I'm coming home album shit cover. Do it.
Oh, just hold on, I'm going home.
There you go.
dude, this is still going up. Excited! Oh my god. Dude, my heart just literally dropped.
Imagine. Hey, take a picture. How do you guys feel?
I'm so nervous.
Look at that. Right.
I'm nervous. I'm like,
It's far.
I'm shaking.
You nervous, huh? Mm-hmm. Can't take no phones?
Nope.
I got y'all though. Alright, birthday, look. Hey. I want you to scream.
Your mouth my body with Cardi. Cardi your body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your mouth on Molly. You ain't gang, you lame.
How was it?
Man, that was thrilling. Dude, that was scary. That was pretty scary. And then you know something, we looked down. Don't look down. We shouldn't have looked down, but we looked down.
You can take it. My heart is especially at the end, how when it hits the.
Yes. So this weekend was fun.
Yes.
Did you have fun, Eunice? I had a lot of fun. It was crazy.
Yeah.
Vegas is always a good time. So if you guys haven't gone to Vegas, y'all need to go.
And
Vegas,
come here for the food.
Oh yeah, come to Rio for the food. Y'all seen the bomb dessert. And follow Eunice too on Instagram and on her YouTube.
Yes. My Snapchat's Unicita10 and then my YouTube just Eunice Garcia.
It'll be in the description. Yes, it will be. So, and then stay up to date. Subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more of my crazy life and my crazy whatever I upload for you guys. All right, catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Wait.